Vultures are the most unique creatures in nature. They are the natural cleaning agents who clean the environment by eating dead and decaying matter. There is a total of 23 vulture species present worldwide, and out of that 9 species are found in India. After the year 1990, the population of 3 species of gyps vultures declined drastically due to an NSAID drug named Diclofenac. Diclofenac is a drug used by people to treat their cattle suffering from swelling or inflammation. Bombay Natural History Society was the first NGO that observed this decline and reported it. After that, different conservation activities are going on in India to conserve the remaining population of 3 gyps vulture species. There are different other medications available for cattle treatment such as meloxicam and tolfenamic acid, which are safe for vultures. We all are on a mission to save the remaining population of vultures and the other endangered or critically endangered species. I hope you all support us and do like and subscribe to the channel.